gonna have to come and get that scaffolding behind you there shortly there. You get all excited when we come here, don't you? Hmm? What do you think, Convoy? You throw out some more food? You got plenty there, but you just like more and more and more. Oh, did I disturb your cooing? Hmm? Convoy, did I disturb your cooing? You gonna come down and have a snack? I can back up. You can come on down. Oop, going in the onto the truck, aren't we? Yeah, we gotta look at that thing one of these days and see where that's leaking. All right, Convoy, we're gonna cut this short.